All right, what's good, everybody? It's Crypto Chat here. We're just going to go over the market today. Just a little market update video. First video on YouTube. Shout out to that. But here we go. So market cap's about 110 billion right now. It's been pretty healthy, been pretty consistent. So I'm assuming there's going to be a move up pretty soon, maybe in August when this fork and BIP 148 all stuff happens. But we'll see. It's been pretty healthy lately. So Bitcoin, boom. Bitcoin going up steadily, very, very slowly, but it's a good sign. Ethereum crashed like crazy yesterday with that, down to like a cent or $10, $13, whatever it was. Who knows what happened there. Should make a video on that as well. But looking at Ripple's got some strength back. Ripple's coming back. Oh, God. Ripple was just like an utter disappointment for a while for me. I was just like bored out of my mind with Ripple. I was just like, are you going to do anything? Are you going to do anything? No, you're just going to go lower, lower, and a little spike up. Lower, 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 little spike. So we'll see if we'll get another spike with Ripple, but for right now, Ripple's just taking it easy. I think we will have another move up on Ripple. NEM. NEM. Oh, wow, I'm skipping some coins here. Litecoin. Litecoin went up like insanely this week. As we all know, Litecoin, if you didn't put money into Litecoin, if you don't have Litecoin, you're probably crying right now. But I mean, from what was it, $30 to all the way to 50, it's in the high 40s. So go Litecoin. Ethereum Classic, steady as hell as always. Ethereum Classic is, let's just look how just steady it is. It's just in the last month at least. I mean, just look at how horizontal it is. It's not doing much, and it doesn't react. I mean, I guess percentage-wise it reacts the same way as Ethereum, but because if we look at Ethereum, it's, I guess Ethereum gains a little more, but just for some reason the Classic is just very steady. Who knows if that's ever going to be a good investment opportunity. I mean, it was back when it was $7, like in May, or even before that, before $7, but I mean, so there's potential for it. That's what I'm saying. NEM. Pretty low price right now. If it goes down to 17, I would buy the shit out of that. I'd buy right now even if you want to get into NEM. Dash. I don't know if I'd buy into Dash right now. You should have bought into Dash a while ago. I mean, we should have bought into all these things a while ago, but Dash, I wouldn't buy it right now. But it's falling. It's falling from its 200 high. Maybe 200 was too high for it. I thought it was ready for that, but I guess not. So it's probably going to stick around this range. IOTA still, I missed that one. BitShares, what are we looking here with the BitShares? It's still just staying strong at about 30 cents. It's been 31, 36. Hasn't really dropped below 30 too much. Anyway, Stratis, dude, I'm waiting for Stratis. We're all waiting for Stratis to take off. Stratis looks like it wants to make a move. Keep your eye on Stratis, guys, because I think right now is a good buying opportunity because what did we just click on here? I think this is a good buying opportunity right here because it's at its low. It might even go lower, so I don't want to say buy now. But if it goes higher, you're going to wish you have bought now because Stratis long term, everyone's liking Stratis. Stratis becoming more popular by the day. Very popular blockchain. Monero is suffering because Zcash and Dash, I think, are just taking the share away from it because Zcash just went ham recently. Like, where did that come from, Zcash just went total balls to the wall ham. Just all the way up to $400, dude. Like, it just had like an Ethereum kind of. That's the same time that Ethereum was surging as well. So that was pretty interesting. Sia coin is going up finally after being at 15 to 16 cents for the longest. It's at 18, 19 cents right now. I think it's going to continue to go up. I think it's about 700 something Satoshis right now. We bought back when it was around 400. So Sia is going to just continue to go up. I'd recommend Sia coin for the long term. Cool project. Look it up. It's been said 1,000 times. Golem, Waves. Waves is chilling. Waves don't know what it wants to do. Maybe it wants to go down. It had a huge run up too fast. So it's probably going to go down a little further. Or this could be the new bottom. It seems to be the new bottom around here, but could go down a little further. Golem had a huge run up all the way to 72 cents, so that's dope. Hold on to your Golem, another long-term coin in my opinion. Bytecoin I never really watch. I mean, it's like I have 400 of them, and that's like $1. So not too worried about what happens to Bytecoin at this period. Economy, if you bought that 5 days ago, good for you. Or before that, good for you. I missed out. I've been watching it for a while, but I just, for some reason, didn't buy it. I don't know. Stellar's just going to go down because we've all heard that they're going to release more tokens. They're going to double the amount of tokens or some bullshit. So Stellar's price is just going to tank for a while, I believe. Yeah. AntShares, you missed the boat already, dude. AntShares just went ham. Gosh, man, like what an insane run up AntShares really had. Who the hell saw that coming? $1 to what? I mean, $10. So just unbelievable. You know, you could have 10 times your money in a matter of a week. So good for you guys that got in on AntShares. Great for you. Lisk wants to move up. Lisk wants to move up. Why won't you move up, Lisk? Lisk has just been chilling forever. Never reached his previous all-time highs, which is, wow, 691. But Lisk, you know, it's got some nice growth here. So I think it's going to move up again right now. But we'll see. We'll see. Dogecoin actually is coming back, dude. Dogecoin's staying strong. Augur's falling. Augur not falling. I mean, it reached the high of what, 34, 35, 36, something like that. Like Factom, which I'm watching heavily, guys. Factom's another long-term coin. Factom's been treating me nice lately. And those are mainly the coins that I personally watch, look at every day. You know, Digibyte is just suffering. And everyone thought Minecraft was going to like implement Digibyte as like a currency or something. It's just the Digibyte people are having their own Minecraft server where you can mine Digibyte. It's just stupid. It's just, you know, misinformation drove that price up. And if you got out when it was high, good for you. Congratulations. That's awesome, you know. All right, Komodo went back down, went up to like 250 yesterday. So if you bought Komodo and got out, good for you. Komodo's pretty cool. I'd look into Komodo if I were you. And Syscoin, yeah, whoop-de-doo. Syscoin had a run up the other day, but it's just kind of chilling again. But yeah, also the last two coins I'm going to talk about, guys, is Pivx and Ubiq. Pivx, I like Pivx. Look up Pivx. It's like the Dash. Like High on Coins talks about Pivx a lot. If you don't know High on Coins, go watch that dude's channel. He's got a lot of good content, in my opinion. He seems to be pretty. He knows what he's doing. You know, he knows what he's doing. But yeah, anyway, Pivx. I think Pivx is gonna just bust out of here pretty soon. I mean, I'm hoping for like $7, $10 Pivx and Ubiq. I don't even know where Ubiq's gonna go, but right now, let's check on Bittrex right now. If Bittrex even loads, what is going on with my browser here? There we go. So if we go and check up Ubiq, dude, Ubiq's up 14% right now. So I think the highest it ever got to was about 20, or like up here, it's about $2.75. But you know, it looks like it's gonna coming right back up, you guys. So I would be watching Ubiq if you don't already have it. I think it's extremely. A lot of YouTubers have made videos about how Ubiq is extremely undervalued. I would tend to agree, along with Pivx, along with all these other coins that I briefly mentioned in this video. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. That's a little update. Just keep your eyes peeled. Quantum resistance too. Just this one was pretty awesome. I made a killing off of that, only for a day. Library credits, library credits. If you guys still have your library credits, that's another good long-term one as well. And I'm just watching, looking at these other coins, keeping tabs. Like for example, Cloak Coin. I mean, it just went up like almost 50% in the last couple days. So I mean, you really guys have to look at these markets because there are great deals every day that we could be potentially missing out on voxels. A couple weeks ago, you guys, voxels was like number 200 something. So I think voxels has a little potential. It's quite low market cap right now. I think the highest it went up to was 20 million, but I think it has a lot more potential than that. Also, a lot of these coins, a lot of these other coins that are further from the top 100 have a lot of potential. So a lot of coins to invest in, a lot of money to make. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. You guys have a good one. Peace out.